Have you ever walked away from a conversation feeling a little disappointed in yourself?
Not because you didn't know English, but because the right sentence came to your mind too late.
You replay the moment again and again, thinking, why didn't I say that?
It happens in small moments: ordering food, talking to colleagues, meeting someone new.
And slowly, those small silent moments start affecting confidence.
Today's video is about changing that, not with difficult grammar, but with real sentences you can actually use every day.
Most English learners study words and rules for years.
But real conversations don't wait for perfect grammar. They move fast.
The real problem isn't vocabulary. It's not having ready-to-use sentences.
Fluent speakers don't create sentences from zero every time. They reuse familiar phrases.
So today, we'll practice 20 real English sentences that work in daily life. Work, friends, public places, everywhere.
One struggle many learners face is translating from their native language.
Yes, and translation creates delay. By the time you think, the topic changes.
Another struggle is fear of mistakes.
I remember staying quiet in conversations just to avoid saying something wrong.
But confidence grows only when we participate, even with simple sentences.
And simple English is powerful English.
Let's imagine real situations together.
When you don't understand something, say, "Could you repeat that, please?"
If you need thinking time, give me a moment.
When something becomes clear, that makes sense.
If you're unsure but want to speak, I'm not sure, but I think.
In professional situations, let me check and get back to you.
When someone helps you, I really appreciate it.
If plans suddenly change, something came up.
Meeting someone new. Nice to meet you.
Ending conversations politely. It was nice talking to you.
When you agree with someone, I totally agree with you.
If you partially disagree, I see your point, but
What do you mean exactly?
I didn't catch that.
How's your day going?
Pretty good. How about you?
Could you help me with this?
I'll do it later.
Got it.
I have to go now.
I'm still learning.
That sentence removes pressure and invites patience from others.
Here's a small challenge for you.
Choose any 3 sentences from today's episode and use them within the next 24 hours.
Speak them aloud, with a friend, at work, or even practicing alone.
Your goal is not perfect pronunciation. Your goal is comfort.
Let's quickly recap.
Fluency doesn't come from complicated words.
It comes from sentences you can use repeatedly in real situations.
When sentences become familiar, your brain stops translating.
And conversations start feeling natural instead of stressful.
Let's learn 5 useful words from today's discussion. 1. Comfortable. Meaning, feeling relaxed and confident. Example, I feel comfortable speaking English now. Practice question. When do you feel comfortable speaking English? 2. Respond meaning, to reply or answer. Example, he responded calmly during the discussion. Practice question. How do you respond when someone speaks fast English? 3. Pressure meaning, stress or expectation to perform well. Example, I feel pressure when speaking publicly. Practice question. What creates pressure while speaking English? 4. Natural meaning, easy and normal, not forced. Example, her English sounds natural. Practice question. What helps your English sound natural? 5. Confidence meaning, trust in your ability. Example, practice builds confidence over time. Practice question. What gives you confidence while speaking?
Learning English is not about speaking perfectly.
It's about connecting with people, sharing thoughts, and being understood.
Every small sentence you use is progress.
And every conversation makes the next one easier.
So speak simply, speak honestly, and allow yourself to learn step by step.
If today's video helped you feel more confident,
Subscribe to the channel for more real English conversations made for daily life learners.
we'll see you in the next video.